My dear brothers and sisters, soon after my first appointment as a priest, I was told to take an interview with a couple who was about to get married. First, I asked the boy, "Why do you want to get married?" He did not know the answer, naturally. But he said, "I want to get married because my mother is elderly and I want someone to help in the house." Then I told him that is not the purpose of marriage. The purpose of marriage is procreation, rather bearing of children. And in procreation, as a couple, we participate in the creation of God. We also create. And the second purpose of marriage is intimate union between man and his wife. That's why in the New Testament, marriage is compared to a union between Christ and the church. Just like Christ as the bridegroom loves his bride, the church, intimately, so the couples are to imitate this union. Just like Christ does not divorce his church ever, the couples too can never think of divorce. The people are quoting, we have seen in the gospel, Moses allowed it. But Jesus gives them what is the reason for giving divorce. But from the beginning, it is a union between man and wife. And we participate in that union, a covenant with God. But what do we see nowadays? Mostly in Europe, and also it is coming very fast in India. Many people are divorcing. They are going against the very purpose of God. Let's take a moment and as couples, let's pray for each other that God may give us the strength to bear one another, because we make the vow, Sukant tashe dukant, pident tashe bolaikint, haun tuka viswasi rautalo.